Welcome to the ultimate animal splash clash. It's the jungle roars versus the farmyard moos who will rule the pool today. Get ready to dive into a fun-filled water adventure with jumping goats, splashing hippos, and more. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. Zebra is a wild horse-like animal known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Zebra's stripes are not only beautiful, but also help them stay cool in the heat and confuse predators by blending together in groups. Giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world, with some reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Giraffes have spots on their bodies, and no two giraffes have the same pattern. Their spots are like fingerprints. Giraffes have a blue-black tongue that is about 18 inches, 45 centimeters long. Donkey is a friendly, hard-working animal known for being strong and stubborn, but in a good way. Donkey has long ears, which help it hear very well, especially in desert environments where it originally lived. Donkey has a gentle nature and is usually calm and friendly. Deer communicate with each other through body language, sounds, and even scent marking. They can make a variety of noises, including grunts and bleats. Deer are usually active at dawn and dusk, known as being crepuscular. That's when they are out looking for food. A bull is an adult male cattle, Bos taurus, typically not castrated, and known for its muscular build and aggressive behavior compared to cows and steers. Bulls are very strong, with a large muscular body, thick neck, and often a hump on their shoulders. Hippopotamuses are one of the largest land animals. Only elephants and rhinos are bigger. Even though they live in water, hippos can't actually swim. They walk or bounce along the bottom of rivers and lakes. Hippos spend most of their day in water to keep cool under the hot sun. Goat can climb rocks and hills very easily. Some goats even live in the mountains. Goat loves to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables, but it should not eat paper or trash, even though it might try. A goat has been living with humans for over 9,000 years. Cow is a gentle farm animal that gives us milk, which we use to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Cow can sleep while standing up or lying down, but it only sleeps for a few hours each day. Cow is very important in farming and helps people all over the world by giving milk, meat, and even helping in fields. Wow, what a splashing good time. Did your favorite team Win the Jungle Crew or the Farmyard Friends? Tell us in the comments below. And if you had fun, don't forget to like Hove